Hello guys, welcome to Doc's Coffee. Today we are going to present about vitamin A.
Vitamins are mainly classified into two groups. One is fat soluble vitamins and the other is water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins includes vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K, whereas water soluble vitamins includes vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Vitamin A is essential for vision. It helps in maintenance of heart, kidney, lungs and other organs. Retinol is the active form of vitamin A. Preformed vitamin A is hydrolyzed into retinol in the lumen of small intestine and is absorbed with the help of bile salts, and it is stored in liver about 50 to 85%. Vitamin A deficiency is the leading cause of preventable blindness in children worldwide.
Functions. Vitamin A has a number of biological actions. Vitamin A helps in vision, cellular differentiation, immune system strengthening, fertility and fetal development. Vitamin A is a potent antioxidant. The other antioxidant vitamins are vitamin C and vitamin E. Vitamin A helps in skin healing, skin tissue regeneration.
Clinical manifestations due to deficiency of vitamin A includes dry lips, thick tongue, xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia is dry, thickened conjunctiva and cornea. Nyctalopia. Nyctalopia is nothing but night blindness. Keratomalacia. Keratomalacia is softening of cornea and ulceration. Retinopathy. Poor bone growth. Non-specific dermatological problems like hyperkeratosis and phrenoderma. Hyperkeratosis is thickening of the stratum corneum, that is the outermost layer of the epidermis of skin. Phrenoderma is follicular hyperkeratosis. Destruction of hair cells and their replacement with mucus secreting glands on skin. Impairment of humoral and cell mediated immunity.
Recommended dietary allowance. It is level of dietary intake that is sufficient to meet the daily nutrient requirements of 97% of people in a particular life stage group. Recommended dietary allowance for adult males is 3000 international units, that is 900 micrograms. In females it is 2300 international units, that is 700 micrograms.
Sources of vitamin A. Some of the sources are listed here: green leafy vegetables, sweet potatoes, carrots, egg yolk, cod liver oil, kidney, broccoli, butter, black eye beans, spinach, and other dark green leafy vegetables, fish oil.
How hypovitaminosis A? Normal serum vitamin A is in between 28 to 86 microgram per deciliter. If serum vitamin A is less than 28 microgram per deciliter, it is deficiency of vitamin A. Few reasons for deficiency of vitamin A are explained here. Low dietary intake of vitamin A, restrictive and monotonous diet for few months. Restrictive and monotonous diet means having only limited kind of foods which are low in vitamin E for prolonged duration. Cafeteria diet. Malabsorption syndrome is seen in chronic pancreatitis, liver failure, cystic fibrosis. In malabsorption syndrome, reduction in uptake and transport of digested nutrients like vitamin A to the bloodstream happens. Vitamin A deficiency is seen in bariatric surgery and gastric bypass surgery.
Coming to diagnosis and treatment. So, diagnosis of vitamin A deficiency is clinical. Diagnosis is confirmed by therapeutic response to vitamin A supplementation. So, you have to note down first one is history of food intake, whether the patient is on monotonous diet or cafeteria diet. Monotonous and cafeteria diets are explained previously, and you have to look for physical signs like keratomalacia of eye, hyperkeratosis, phrenoderma of skin, Then serum vitamin A levels and LFTs, that is liver function tests. As bile acids produced in liver are needed for vitamin A absorption, LFT's derangement correlate with low serum vitamin A. You have to note down about any surgical history of the patient, like bariatric surgery or gastric bypass surgery should be seen, and use of any vitamin supplements as in cystic fibrosis. And you have to see the presence of any degglutination diseases by oral and dental examination. Coming to treatment, vitamin A supplementation as per age specific group.
Thank you.
If you feel this video is informative, like it
Share with your friends.
and subscribe for more videos.